everyone, this is going to be another tutorial, and this one has to specifically deal with how to cut objects. So once we have our object right in front of us, so for instance this rectangular prism, we are first going to make sure that there's a white box selected around it, which basically means that this has been selected. And then you're going to come up to here to this cut action, and you're going to get these three axes of how to cut things. So for instance, you can turn it this way, you can turn it this way, you can turn it this way, in any orientation you'd like. So let's say we wanted this orientation. We'd come over to here and we won't select anything besides perform cut. And after performing the cut, these two are split right down the middle, as we see, into equal portions, I believe. And yeah. Now, one thing to look out for is that some people may not know how to actually like move one object while not moving the other one. How would we would do that? By deselecting both, clicking on only one, and then just moving it around whichever place we'd like. That may be a little intuitive for some people, but for some others it may not. So I just wanted to go over it. And yeah, that's how you cut an object in half, or cut an object in any way you would like.